Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is 2, 6, 12, 20, 28 and 42. Given options are 2, 6, 12 and 28. To find the round number, first let me consider the given question. The given question is 2, 6, 12, 20, 28 and 42. Okay. To find out the wrong number, I'll use once again trial and error method. Now to get 6, I'll add 4 to 2. That is 2 plus 4 is 6. To get 12, I'll add 6 to the 6. That means 6 plus 6 is 12. Similarly, to get 20, I should add 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. To get 28, I should add 8. That means 20 plus 8 is 28. Further, to get 42, I should add how much? 14. That is 28 plus 14 is 42. Okay. Now this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Whereas the 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 8. This 8 can be written as 2 into 4. Once again I am having 8. Again this can be written as 2 into 4. This 14 can be written as 2 into 7. Well friends, see here. This 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. So the next term would be 2 into 5. Okay. So if it is 2 into 5, the product will be how much? 2 into 5 is 10. Okay, it will be 10. So when it is 10, the next number would be 20 plus 10. That is 30. Instead of 28, I will get 30. Now, to get 42, I should add how much? Yes, I should add 12. Okay, that means 30 plus 12 will be 42. Now, this 12 can be written as 2 into 6. Okay. Now, look at the series. It is 2 into 2 once again. 2 into 3. 2 into 4. This 10 is 2 into 5. This 12 as 2 into 6. So nothing but this is a series of multiple of 2. Therefore, this instead of 8 I should get it as 10. So because of this, the number should be 30 instead of 28. Therefore, 28 is the wrong number. So let us check the given options. The first option is 2. The second is 6. Third is 12. Whereas fourth is 28, which is the correct option. We will see some more number of problems, friends.